Hey, what's up, guys? It's Arash.visuals. This is
Omar on IG.
I'm
Alessia.
And I'm Humayun.
and we are photographers from Ottawa. Today we are shooting a model from Italy. Her name is
Alessia.
and I'm gonna put everyone's Instagram account at the bottom. So what we're gonna do today is we're just gonna walk around downtown. Our challenge for today is 4 photographers shoot the same model. Today we're working with Paul's Vintage Clothing. They're providing us with some of the outfits of the day. We have some more outfits that we're gonna include during our shoot just to get different variations. Anyways, we're gonna go look around and see where we could shoot. We all have a 3-minute time limit here. So within 3 minutes, we're trying to get as much shots as we can, and then we're gonna compare to see who, you know, how they shot their style within their 3 minutes, right?
Yo, you guys yell out when he has a minute left, yeah? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, done.
Up next, we got Omar. I don't know what he's doing right now.
Omar.
Hey!
Hey.
I'm trying to
How's
find
it
a
going?
perspective. Good.
Nice.
So I'm thinking of shooting 2 different lenses. I'm gonna shoot with the 50, and then I'm gonna switch to my wide angle just to get some sort of elevation, maybe some of the architecture here. Yeah, I don't really know what I'm doing yet, but we're getting there.
You're good. Yeah. Get lower angle.
Cool. Should lens change. All right, you got a minute and 30 seconds.
No way.
Yeah, way. Seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah, done.
Yeah, so that was a very stressful 3 minutes. I don't think it's possible to do a shoot in 3 minutes, but you know,
That's the challenge.
we had to challenge ourselves and we did it. I think I got pretty good photos. So I guess you're showing the pictures now?
Yeah, we're gonna show the, well, yeah, we're showing the pictures now. Omar just went, I went, we all had our 3 minutes, and up next is my guy right here. Who are you?
I'm Dan Bavino. What's up?
You ready to go?
Yeah, man.
Let's do it. One minute. 5, 4, 3,
Perfect, thank you.
2, 1, done.
It went well. I guess we'll see. We'll see after the edits. I don't know if anything was in focus. That's what happens when you're trying to like shoot fast and doing 3 minutes. 3 minutes is tough. I'm not used to shooting like as fast as that. I normally shoot kind of fast, but like not as fast as that. So
Good job,
we'll
man.
see.
Good
See how
job.
it turns out.
Who's up next? We got a light box coming
I think
out.
we're all
Five, 4, 3, 2,
I'm good.
1.
Now we're at our second location, and we got our second outfit, again by Paul's Vintage Clothing. Another beautiful blue dress with the orange. The boots look really well, it goes great, and she's putting on some makeup now. So that's it, and then we'll see what the other guys want to do, but can't wait to see what they do with this area.
Uh-oh. You don't learn that in school.
Move out of the way! Yo guys!
A minute 30 left. Five,
1 2 3 go.
4,
Got you.
3. Done.
I did with the 30 mil. I tried to get something creative going there for a second, but I don't know how it worked out. Anyways, we'll see what we got, you know? Up next.
Five, 4, 3, 2.
I pretty much just want to use this glass as a reflection here, and I'm probably going to use my phone as a tool to create more reflection, and we'll see how it looks. Hold up, I haven't started yet.
You haven't started yet.
Okay, I am ready.
And go. Yo, Ari, what is this guy doing, man, with the phone and the reflections? 1 minute left, dog. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, done.
It's a beautiful city.
Hey.
If you ever get a chance to visit it, you should, because it's truly beautiful. I've only been here for a few years, but I love it. We're going to Spark Street. It's one of the known streets in Ottawa. A lot of classical architecture.
Nice.
We're standing in front of the Parliament. This is our headquarters. A lot of shit goes down there.
Yeah.
I don't even want to get political because, you know.
Yes.
Let's stay
We
out
might
of
lose
that.
some subscribers.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
So I'm holding the flash. Daniel's up next. We're at a new location here in Ottawa. It's called Spark Street. So if you look at the sun, it's pretty blinding. Using the sun to our advantage. And I want to see what Daniel is going to be able to do for us here, you know? But we're going to use the flash. So let's see what you do.
Yeah.
It's all you, bro.
Yeah. All right.
Done. Seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Okay.
Starting?
And start. And 3, 2, 1. One minute left. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ten, 9, 8, 7.
Yeah, we had a really fun day. Everybody did their own little style. I'd like to thank our main person here for providing us all the outfit.
Called Paul's Vintage, right in the market. So, you know, got tons of nostalgic pieces for you. 90s, 80s, 70s, like all that stuff. So
And
it's a
his
little
team, I
messy
guess.
right now because
Yeah.
you know we had these guys in here.
Yeah.